可力学中文 Welcome to KeLi Learn Chinese podcast. I made it for my lovely wife to learn Chinese in a natural and fun way. Hope you enjoy it as well. Okay, let's start. Let's have some casual talk today. Let's say, what did we do today? 我们今天做了什么 Let's add on 什么 So, 我们 means us, we, right? 今天 means today. 做了 means did. 做 means do. 做了 means the past phase. So, means did. 什么 is what. So, 我们今天做了什么 Okay. Let's say, 我们今天去了森林导览。我们今天去了森林导览。我们 same us, we, 今天 today 去了 went to 去 is go but since we add on le means we already did so it's went we made do become went 我们今天去了 today we went we today went 森林导览森林 means forest 森林 sen is S-E-N first tone flat 森森林 is L-I-N second tone go up 林林森林 means forest 森林 means forest 导览 means guided tour 导览 guided tour 导 have the meaning of guide guiding to guide 览 have the meaning of viewing watching this kind of stuff so 导 is D-A-O third tone 导导导览览 is L-A-N third tone 览览导览导览我们今天去了森林导览 So it means today we went to a forest guided tour. And how about 导游 What does 导游 mean? 导 we already said it's like guiding, to guide, guiding you to do something. 游 means moving, traveling, playing. So if someone is guiding you to moving, guiding you to traveling, guiding you to playing, which normally refers to tour guide. So it's someone guiding you to travel. So 导游 it's tour guide. 游 is Y-O-U second tone going up 游游导游导游导游导游 Okay, it's tour guide. Okay, let's continue. Let's say we went with our parents. Maybe for one side, it would be mother-in-law, father-in-law. Then you can say 我们今天还邀请了谁谁谁 Like today we also invited who 我们今天 already taught you 还 means also 还 H-A-I 还 means also 邀请 is invite. 邀请 invite. 邀 is Y-A-O, first tone, flat. 邀请 is Q-I-N-G, third tone. 请邀请 invite. 还邀请 means also invite. 还 is H-A-I. 还 is H-A-I, second tone. 还 is also as well. 还邀请了。Remember, when you put after the verb, it will make it past tense. So, means we already did it, or it already happened. 还邀请了 means we also invited. So, today we also invited who? Today we also invited parent-in-law. So let's say today we also invited my parents-in-law. How to say parents-in-law? 岳父岳母. We have to separate them. 岳父 is father-in-law. 岳父 is the father, right? 父亲 father. F-U, fourth tone. 父 you go down. 父. And 岳 is Y-U-E, fourth tone. 岳父. If you only say 父, it means father. But if you put 岳 in front of the father, it will make it father-in-law. 岳父. So, if we need to put mother-in-law, we just need to switch the 父 to mother, which is 母, third tone. M-U, third tone. 母. Okay, so 岳母 means mother-in-law. 岳母 mother-in-law. Sometimes you will hear 父亲. It's kind of an official way to call your dad 父亲. 亲 means close or family. 亲. It can also means kiss as a verb. So 父亲 is the official way of calling father. 亲 is Q-I-N, first tone, flat. 亲 父亲. Okay. Then the official way of calling mother is 母亲. Make it fast. If we make it fast, it will be 母亲. The 亲 is same. Just switch 父 to 母. Then you can switch from calling your father to your mother. 我的父亲，我的母亲，你的父亲，你的母亲。Normally, if you want to use this kind of official way of calling your father or your mother, it will be in official letter or writing something to them, but super respectful. Or maybe in the novel or in a textbook. Okay. Then we can say 大家都玩得很开心。大家都玩得很开心。大家 means everyone. 大家 means everyone. 大 is D-A, fourth tone. 大。家 is J-I-A, first tone, flat. 家 家，大家，大家 means everyone. You can see on the screen that 家 it's written in GU first tone gu, but I don't know why. Anyway, this system has some problem, but normally it's useful. So just follow what I said, it will be correct. 大家，大家，都 means both. 都 do do first tone flat 都玩的 means play. 玩 is WAN second tone going up. 玩的 DE second tone 的玩的 I don't know how to explain the at here, but anyway, this is the way of how we use 玩得很开心。很 you know, it's a very 很 HEN third tone 很开心 means happy. 开 is open. KAI first tone flat. 开心 means heart. XIN first tone flat. So 心 open heart. 开心 means happy. 开心 means happy. 大家都玩得很开心。If you want to say everyone swims and feeling very happy, we can say 大家都游得很开心。游 means swim. 大家都游得很开心。Or if we want to say everyone cooked and they feel super happy, we can say 大家都煮得很开心。煮 means cook. 煮 is ZHU third tone. 煮大家都煮得很开心。And we can also say everyone use something and they feel happy. So we can say 大家都用得很开心。用 is YONG fourth tone. So going down. 用 means use. Everyone use and then feel happy. So 大家都用得很开心。大家都用得很开心。Okay, that's it for today.